Dell Latitude 9452 in 1. A premium business companion. Introduction. The Dell Latitude 9452 in 1 is a high-end business laptop that offers a perfect blend of productivity, style, and versatility. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features, it caters to the needs of discerning professionals who demand the best. Design and build quality. The Latitude 9450 boasts a premium build quality with a CNC milled aluminum chassis that exudes sophistication. Its compact design and 360-degree hinge make it ideal for both work and play. The laptop's matte finish and soft texture provide a comfortable grip, while its sturdy construction ensures durability. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the design, from the diamond-cut edges to the precise alignment of the components. Display and audio. The 14-inch QD touch display delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and wide viewing angles. The anti-smudge and anti-reflect coating enhances visibility in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The top-firing speakers offer impressive sound quality, delivering rich audio for multimedia consumption and video conferencing. Performance and battery life. Powered by Intel's Core Ultra processor, the Latitude 9450 delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks. The ample RAM and storage options ensure smooth multitasking and efficient data handling, even when running multiple applications simultaneously. While the battery life is decent, it may not be as long-lasting as some competitors, especially under heavy workloads. Connectivity and ports. The Latitude 9450 offers a limited selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4 Type-C and a 3.5mm combo jack. This may require the use of a separate dock for additional connectivity options, such as USB ports, HDMI, and Ethernet. While the limited port selection can be a drawback for some users, it helps maintain the laptop's sleek and minimalist design. Keyboard and touchpad. The Zero Lattice keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience with its spacious keys and responsive feedback. The touchpad is large and precise, offering smooth navigation and gesture support. The haptic trackpad adds an extra layer of tactile feedback, enhancing the overall user experience. Additional features. The Latitude 9450 comes with several additional features that enhance its functionality and security. These include a fingerprint reader for easy login, a webcam with infrared capability for facial recognition, and support for Dell Mobile Connect, which allows you to connect your smartphone to the laptop for seamless integration. Conclusion. The Dell Latitude 9452 in 1 is a premium business laptop that offers a combination of style, performance, and versatility. Its sleek design, powerful processor, and high-quality display make it an excellent choice for professionals who demand the best, while the limited port selection and slightly higher price point may be considerations for some buyers. The overall value proposition of the Latitude 9450 is undeniable. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button to follow our channel for more updated reviews on your favorite products.